Hello YouTube viewers. Today I'm going to show you a talking alarm clock. This is it. This is made by, I believe the manufacturer is Rhythym, and it has a quartz movement and a quartz alarm. This has a, this is very much like an old wind-up alarm clock. You have I'll show you this knob right here that adjusts the time, and then you also have this knob on top here, which turns that little piece of metal, which triggers the alarm once you have it set. Also, on the bottom here, it has a switch for volume control, minimum or max, and then also you can have it set for alarm or monitor. I have it set on monitor, and this is going to be a loud clock here. What you're going to see when I push this top button here, these here are going to light up, and then you can hear some weird noises. Here we go.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, wake up! Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, wake up!
And that's the softer volume.
3, 2, 1, wake up!
Okay, that's the monitor mode. What that means is that every time I push this button, the alarm will go off. Now I'm going to put on alarm.
Are you ready?
Now it's on alarm. So all I have to do is turn this little handle here and keep on turning it. I'm going to go slow here.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, wake up!
And now I can shut it off and turn it back, and then put it back on monitor. There. This came from Spencer Gifts. I picked this up about 22 years ago at Spencer Gifts. They don't make these anymore, unfortunately, but they had other clocks similar to these that would have the talking alarm and have different voices. I picked this up at Spencer's, like I said, and it was on clearance. It was only like maybe $20, otherwise this will be about $50, so an expensive clock for those of you who like clocks. Well, that's all for now. Bye.